Hello, good morning everyone. Myself, Dr. Shreyas G. Valodia, Associate Professor, Department of Ratna Sare, Global Institute of Ayurveda, heartily welcomes all of you in today's class of Sankhya Sare. Today we are going to discuss on topic of Sankhya Sare. In Susrut Samhita, Sharirsthan Adhyay 5, Acharya Susrut has mentioned various numbers of Ayurvedic organs or structures or anatomical parts in numerical portion, which is known as the Sankhya Sharira. Sankhya Sharira means the description of various organs or structures or anatomical structures into the body which are defined with the various numbers is known as the Sankhya Sharira. First of all, as we all know, there are three dosas in body, that is Vat, Pitta and Kapha, seven dhatus, that is Rasa, Rakta, Mas, Med, Asthi, Majja, Shukra, three malas, Mutra, Purish and Sweda. These are the basic pillar of the human body. There is a one oj which is of two types, that is per oj means which is situated in the heart and very purified form in very less quantity of 8 bindu, 8 drops. The second is upper oj which is distributed in the whole body, and the quantity of upper oj is approximate 1/2 anjali, that is approximate 1/2 anjali. 11 Gnanendriya includes the 5 Gnanendriya, 5 Karmendriya and 1 Upayendriya Man. Now coming to Srotas. There are two types of Srotas in the body. There among them 11 are Abhyantar Srotas, which is known as the Abhyantar Srotas Yugma, Yogvahi Srotas. They have 11 number of pairs. And there is Bahirmukh Srotas, which are 9 in number in male body and 11 in number in female body. Among these 9 includes 2 external opening of nose, 2 external opening of ear, openings of eyes, mukha guha, oral cavity, then opening of the urethra in penis, and that is upasthamatra, and payu, that is anal orifice. Female has 3 extra openings, that is 2 for breast opening and 1 for vaginal opening. Coming to Asthi Sarir, Acharya Susrut has mentioned 300, while Acharya Charak has mentioned 360 bones in the body. Types of Asthi as per Susruta is the 5, that is Kapalasthi, Ruchakasthi, Tarunasthi, Valayasthi and Nalakasthi. There is a mistake in slide. The fifth one types is the Nalayasthi. Peshi Sharir. Peshi means the number of muscles in the body. In male body, there are 500 numbers of different kind of muscles available in body, while in female body, there is 20 muscles extra, total 520 muscles in female body. Shira Sharir. As per Ayurvedic anatomy of the Shira Sharir, there are total number of 700 Shira in body. Among them, 440 is the Mul Shira, and among them, 98 are the Avedya Shira. Dhamni Sharir, numbers of various kind of arteries in body is the 200. Among them, 24 are the Mul Dhamni as per Acharya Susrut, and as per Acharya Charak, that is 10 Mul Dhamni. Asay Sharir. Asay mean the hollow structures. As per Susruta, there is 7 hollow structures in body, that is in male body, and 8 hollow structures asay in female body. Sandhi Sharir. the number of joints in the human body as per Susruta, that is 210 numbers of joints available in joints of bones in body, and there are 8 different types of sandhi in the body. Snayu Sarir, there is 900 numbers of snayu, that is one kind of ligament, tendon, fascias, aponeurosis are situated in body are the 900, and there are 4 different kind of snayu discussed in the Samhita. Coming to the Kandra, types of ligaments, important ligaments, that is 16 in number, among them 4 in Pad, that is lower limb, 4 in Hast, that is upper limb, 4 in Griva, that is cervical region, and 4 in Prusht, that is back. Jhala, there are different kinds of jhala, which is in number 16, which are made of 4 made from mass, 4 made from sira, 4 made from snayu, and 4 made from sandhi. Kurch, number of kurch in body is the 6. Among them 2 in hasta, 2 in pad, 1 in griva, and 1 in metra. Sevni, there are 7 sevnis in the body. Among them 5 in mastaka, that is suture bone, sutures of the skull, 1 in the base of tongue, that is jivhatal, this is lingual frenulum, 1 in the median raphe situated between the scrotum and perineal region. Sanghata of the asthi, that is 2 in gulfa at knee joint, ankle joint, 2 in jhanu, that is at ankle knee joint, 2 at Vankshana hip joint, 2 at Kaksha, that is shoulder joint, 2 at Kurpar, that is elbow joint, 2 at Hasta, that is wrist joint, 1 in Shira, that is occipito atlanto joint, and 1 in Stricka, that is joint between the ilium, sacrum, and coccyx. There are same number of simanta sutures in the body, that is known as the 14, same as the sanghata, asti simanta. Coming to the kosthang, the hollow organ or organs of the body, as per Samhita, there are 15 or kosthanga situated in the human body, which includes navi, that is umbilicus, hridaya, that is heart, kloma is a controversial. We can take either trachea or lungs or pancreas as the kloma. Yakruta, that is liver, pliha, splena, vrukka, kidneys, basti, urinary bladder, purishadhar, that is the sigmoid colon, amasaya, stomach, pakvashaya, that is small intestine, and from the cecum to the descending colon of the large intestine, uttargud, that is a part of sigmoid colon or descending colon, adhargud, that is rectum, kshudrantra, that is small intestine, sthulantra, that is large intestine, and vapavahan, that is omentum. Here we can say that the organs of abdominopelvic in thoracic cavity are known as the kosthanga as per Acharya Charaka. Susruta has mentioned 8 number of kosthanga, which includes hriday, heart, rudir sthan, that is yakrut and pliha, means spleen and liver, mutrasthana, that is urinary bladder, unduka, that is cecum, ama sthana, that is the stomach, pakvasthana, that is the intestine, fufusa, lungs, and agnisthana, that is pancreas. As per Ashtang Sangra, hridaya, yakruta, pliha, vruka, basti, unduka, antra, and fufus, which are known as the heart, liver, spleen, kidneys, urinary bladder, cecum, intestine, and lungs, respectively. there are 107 number of marma Hita Saristan Adhyay 6. Among them, as per if we go to the various classification of marma, we can find that among 107 marma, there are 11 marma made from mass, 41 made from sira, 28 made from snayu, 8 from asthi, and 20 from sandhi marma. As per the effect or clinical effect of injury on the marma, we can classify marma as the Satya Pranhar marma 11, Kalantar Pranhar marma 33, Rujakar marma 8, Vishalyagna marma 3, and Vekalyakar marma 4. As per location of the marma, these 107 marma are classified in Shakhagat Ashrit marma, that is marma situated in limbs, that is 44. Among them, 22 in Urdhva Shakha, that is upper limb, 11 in each limb, and Adho Shakha, 22, 11 marma in each lower limb, Kostha Ashrita, 26, that is a trunk region. Among them, 9 in Urha Pradesh, that is thorax, and 14 in Prushtha, that is back region. Urdhva Jatrugat marma, that is a marma situated above the clavicle, that is 37 in number. Coming to Kala Sharir, there are 7 types of Kala mentioned in the Ayurvedic text. Among them, Masdhara Kala first, Raktadhara Kala second, third is Medodhara, fourth is Lesmadhara, fifth is Puristhara, sixth is Pittadhara, and seventh is the Shukradhara. Coming to Tvacha Sharir, there are 7 layers of Tvacha mentioned in Susruta Samhita, that is Aupasini, Lohita, Sweta, Tamra, Vedini, Rohini, and Mastara. So this is the nutshell description of the Sankhya Sharir. It is very important aspect of the Ayurvedic anatomy to understand anatomy of Ayurvedic science. For the exam purpose of view, if you cram these all numbers in detail, you can get very good marks in your examination. So on other lectures, we are continue with each topic in detail. Till have a great day. Have a nice time. If you have any question or query regarding this topic, you can feel free to ask on our comment section of this video. Thank you. Namaskar.